So we just remove the oil pan, and this is what's under. This is the oil filter. You just pull it out from the oil suction tube. This is a magnet. Here are some metal shavings. Looks like it was supposed to be attached to the oil pan, but the oil pan is bent. It got hit probably, and it fall off the oil pan. So now we're gonna remove the filter. We're gonna disconnect the wiring. As you can see, here's one connector, second connector from these two solenoids. And if you go on another side, here's one more connector right here, two more connectors here, and you can pull out the wiring. So here is this tab. Just pull it to the side and pull out the connector. And another connector, it has two tabs on the side. You need to pull them apart, and after you can pull out the connector as well. So here is our second connector. Here is a clip. After here it's another clip. You take it out. Here is squeeze together these two tabs and pull it right out like this. And here we have this solenoid right here. I need to, actually I'll use a screwdriver. You can use a flat screwdriver and pull it apart, and with a nail on another side, and just pull it out. So the gray connector is out, the white connector it's out, and as you can see, the wiring goes under this tube right here. So slowly I'm gonna pull it out. And now we can pull out the gray connector as well. There are some tabs, we need to squeeze them, and after we're gonna push it in. And this is our wiring.